Guys, before we start this video, take a look at this sample that I created using completely free AI tools right from my PC.
On the morning of August 6, 1945, in the Japanese city of Hiroshima, people were busy living their everyday lives. Some were heading to work, some children were getting ready for school, while others were having breakfast with their families. No one had any idea that within just a few seconds their world was about to change forever. At 8:15 in the morning, a sudden flash appeared in the sky. It was so bright that people didn't even have time to understand what was happening. Then came a terrifying explosion. In a single moment, the entire city was consumed by fire, smoke, and destruction. Where the laughter of children could be heard just minutes earlier, there was now only screaming and silence. But the suffering did not end there. Just 3 days later, on August 9th, 1945, another atomic bomb was dropped on the Japanese city of Nagasaki. Once again, there was a blinding flash. Once again, there was unimaginable destruction. And once again, thousands of families were torn apart forever. Many people died that day, while those who survived continued to suffer from the painful effects of radiation and serious illnesses for years to come. Just imagine, one moment someone was thinking about their dreams and their future, and the next moment everything was gone. Hiroshima and Nagasaki are not just the names of two cities. They remind the world that the greatest price of war is always paid by ordinary people. And perhaps that is why, even after so many years, the stories of these cities still make our hearts heavy. Because some wounds may heal with time, but they never completely disappear.
Now, the video you just watched, if I tell you that this type of 3D faceless documentary video has been created for international audiences for years, you probably won't be surprised, because whenever someone teaches this style of video, their main focus is always on the USA, UK, or other international audiences. Why? Because the RPM is much higher. But tell me one thing, if you don't get any views, what will you even do with a high RPM? That's exactly why, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to create these professional 3D faceless documentary videos for a global audience. So, let's begin. First, we'll open ChatGPT, which is now available on almost everyone's phone. To make the entire process much easier, I created a prompt PDF. With the help of this PDF, you'll be able to generate the complete video, step by step, without putting in much effort. To find a video topic, we'll copy this prompt from the PDF and paste it into ChatGPT. Then simply type the kind of story or documentary video you want to make. For example, I wanted to create a history video about World War II, so I just typed that and hit send. ChatGPT instantly provided me with 30 different topic ideas, and honestly, they're amazing. I chose one topic, the Hiroshima and Nagasaki bomb blast. Beside the prompt PDF, I've also included a prompt that helps create a story with a strong hook at the beginning and keeps it interesting until the very end. We'll simply copy that prompt, paste it into ChatGPT, and then mention the topic we want. You can make the story as long as you want, just increase the word count. After sending the prompt, ChatGPT generated an engaging story for us. Now we'll copy that story and give it a professional voice. Next, we'll open Google Chrome, search for OpenFM, and visit the website. We'll paste our story there. Then we'll go to Voice, select Ash, and under Vibe, choose True Crime Buff. Now click play. Perfect. We got an amazing voice. Now let's download it. Next, we'll edit the voice so our channel can stay monetized. For that, we'll use Goldwave, which you can easily download from the Play Store. After opening Goldwave, click Import, go to Files, select your audio, and tap OK. Now tap the 3-line menu, go to Effects, then Filter, and select Silence Reduction. Choose Default, then select Eliminate All Silence. Set the duration to 0.200. Now go back to the 3-line menu, open Pitch, and make the voice slightly heavier. I reduced mine to 95, then tap the check mark. Now save the file by tapping Save, enter a file name, and confirm. Finally, open the 3-line menu again, go to Files, and export the audio. Okay guys, now comes the most exciting part of the video, image generation. We'll copy the image generation prompt from the prompt PDF and paste it into ChatGPT. Then we'll paste our story and hit send. ChatGPT has now prepared everything from image generation prompts to image to video prompts. But today, I'm going to solve the biggest image generation problem, even though Google Whisk has been removed. Today I'll show you a method to access it again. First, copy the image prompt, then open Flow AI, create a new project, and go to Tools. Scroll down a little. Look at that, there are so many tools here. Wait, what's this? We can actually see the Whisk AI option. Perfect. Click on it, and a desktop-style Whisk interface will open. Paste your prompt into the text box, and hit send. Look how impressive the generated image is. Now let's download it. Next, we'll return to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the second scene, paste it into Whisk AI, and click send. Again, Whisk generated another amazing image. Let's download that as well. We'll repeat the same process for the third scene. Copy the third scene prompt from ChatGPT, paste it into Whisk AI, click send, and download the generated image. We'll continue this same process until all scene images are generated. Now we've created all the images, but images alone don't make a viral video. Now it's time to bring them to life with motion and effects. Let's go back to Flow AI. Open All Media, scroll down, and select the image we just created. Now click on Agents, go to Start, and choose the first image. Next, return to ChatGPT and copy the first image to video prompt. Paste it here. Under Videos, select 16.9. For the model, choose VO 3.1 Lite, then click the arrow button. Within a few moments, our image to video clip is ready. Honestly, it looks incredibly professional. Now download it in 1080p. Next, return to ChatGPT, copy the prompt for the next scene, paste it here, and click the arrow button. Our second video is also ready. Download it. Now copy the third scene's video prompt, paste it, click the arrow button, and generate the third video. We'll continue the same process until every scene has been converted into video. Guys, everything is now complete, from the story to the final video generation. But there's still one last step left. Editing. You can use whichever editing app you're comfortable with. I'll be using CapCut. Open CapCut and tap New Project. Import all the videos we generated. Next, go to Audio, then Device, search for your audio file, and tap Add. Now, carefully arrange the clips according to the narration by slowing down or speeding up the videos wherever necessary. After that, we'll add transitions. Tap the plus icon, search for black fade, select it, and apply it to all clips. Guys, you'll notice the VO3 watermark here. To remove it, you can either zoom into the video slightly or cover it using your channel logo. I'll simply go to Stickers, choose a subscribe sticker, and adjust it over the watermark. Now let's add sound effects. Go to Audio, then Sound Effects, search for Explosion, and add it. Similarly, wherever your video needs sound effects, just add them. Now we'll add background music. Again, go to Audio, then Device, search for Tense, and add the track. Stretch it across the entire video as background music. Now the editing is complete. Before exporting, set the resolution to 2x. Keep all the other settings at maximum quality, and tap Export. And with that, you've learned the complete process of creating an AI faceless documentary video. If you've watched this video from beginning to end, you now have the skills to create professional content and start your earning journey. Bye bye, guys.